Jumpo TV production viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one, people. In today's video we want to talk about Bounty Killer, the ground Godzilla, the poor people governor. Also we want to talk about Alkaline, the Vendetta boss, the man himself. So people, the Vendetta fans them roll out wicked and ready for this style Bounty Killer. The Vendetta fans them plan for walk out pan Bounty Killer in the Barclays Center in Brooklyn on August 30th. So people, Alkaline and Bounty Killer will be performing on the same show, Reggae Fest, in Brooklyn, New York, at the Barclays Center. People, a whole bunch of mix-up and passa. People are urge Bounty Killer and tell him to understand himself and make him know say anyhow he step to the Vendetta boss, him a go lose him visa, him a go lose him work permit. And Bounty Killer just get back him work permit after around 15 years being absent from the United States of America. But people, a Bounty Killer call on this pan himself. Uno know Jump Out TV production always a defend Bounty Killer, but wrong are wrong. We tell Bounty Killer say leave Alkaline alone. People, Bounty Killer go pan DJ Academics and style Alkaline in the wickedest way. The man tell DJ Academics say anyway in book Alkaline a figure defend. Alkaline a figure meet the reaper. The man say Alkaline a figure answer to him. So Alkaline tell Bounty Killer fi go his mother over 10 years ago. Bounty Killer burn out Alkaline and a style Alkaline the wickedest way and a pick pan the youth over and over. So the youth slide in a Bounty Killer DM and tell him fi go suck him mother. The public never know about that. Bounty Killer style Alkaline pan fi him timeline. Alkaline tell him fi go chuck through him mama. So Bounty Killer make that public to the world. After that, Alkaline do disrespect in a song and take it lyrically. Do it the dancehall way. Drop words to Bounty Killer, shades here and there. But Bounty Killer decides say after 10 years, him and Alkaline a figure have it out. And him a go thumb down Alkaline, backs up Alkaline, kick down Alkaline. Him and say Alkaline a figure defend himself. Him say anyway, him buck Alkaline a figure defend it. Months ago, Alkaline and Bounty Killer they were show together. I think at Trinidad or Tobago, somewhere in the Caribbean. And Bounty Killer even say, pan the same show, big up such child. So Bounty Killer call Alkaline such child. Couple months ago, Sons Bounty Killer post Alkaline flyers and say unity. A unity we are say in a dancehall. Go out there and support the artists. Do it for dancehall. After that, Bounty Killer now go on DJ Academics interview and go diss the youth, style the youth and say anyway, him buck Alkaline have to go defend it. Forward now, 2025, August 30th, in Brooklyn, New York, Barclays Center, Reggae Fest. Alkaline book for the show way before Bounty Killer. Alkaline book for the show months ago. The flyers come out, say Alkaline I got there Reggae Fest August 30th with artists like Tony Mataran, Mr. Vegas, T.O.K., Shensia. I got there on the show as well. Devante and Tanta Metro, Elephant Man, Mr. Vegas, Kiepotan, Shensia. Crazy people there on the show. CJ Milan posts that the headliner will be announced at the later date. So the headliner are the person where I go close the show. Supposed to be the biggest superstar or be the star where I go haul out most of the crowd. So for months now, the show I promote the artists them name when we call a sell off the show. Like the Elephant Man and the Kiepotan and the Vegas and the Alkaline and the Shensia. I feed them fan base sell off the ticket. So CJ Milan said the night of the show, saying the headliner will be announced. So 1 week before the show, that yesterday Monday, Bounty Killer announced as the headliner. And when I hear from Bounty Killer, but I know Bounty Killer sell off the show. Bounty Killer I go close the show. But everybody did feel to say one of the person where dep on the posters them did I go close the show. Because CJ Milan say on the night of the show, them I go announce the headliner. So the passa between Alkaline and Bounty Killer, she has Bounty Killer as the person where I go close the show. But remember, say majority of the ticket wouldn't sell because of Bounty Killer. Because of 1 week before the show, Bounty Killer name announced. So everybody else would sell the ticket. Anybody on the show could close the show. And you don't know, so if you close a show like that, the price got different. If Alkaline got close the show, you have to give him a different fee from the fee where him normally book for. Because you have to go give him closing. Because him fan base got turn up there and wait upon him to close the show. So Bounty Killer got close the show now. And there's a whole bunch of passa between Bounty Killer and Alkaline. See, Alkaline fan base, most of them feel like say the promoter CJ Milan set up Alkaline. See, but Alkaline already know say I know him I go be the closer, because you have to go give him the closer money there. See, you have to go give him money to close the show. See, so Alkaline, you can't give him regular fee and I tell him to wait till XYZ to close the show. You have to go give him close in money. You remember I show the other day where Vice Cartel did for going at the Caribbean. And when them asked Sizzler to close the show, Sizzler said, no, you have to go give me a different piece of fee to close the show. Them piece of food where you give me already, you book me for the show. But if you want me to be the closer and close the show, a different piece of funds. Them never give Sizzler, so Sizzler withdraw. So Alkaline already know say, I know him I go close the show cause him not get that the food there. Them book him and him just go in, go work and do him thing. But the promoter now, most Vendetta fans feel as if the CJ Milan set up Alkaline. But at the end of the day, the way how Alkaline and his sister do business a proper paperwork. So them know say if I know them I go close the show, or somebody else I go close the show. So once them get them piece of food, them do what them have to do and get the hell out of there. I work, Alkaline I work. But CJ know say mix up I go did it. So Bounty Killer say anyway, him see Alkaline, problem I got did it. So the fans them a laugh at a Bounty Killer now. Ready for style Bounty Killer, cause Bounty Killer I go see Alkaline in a New York. Can't step to him in a New York. No saying can lose his visa and his work permit. Plus when Alkaline at work, Everybody have to clear the stage. And Alkaline, you can't run up on Alkaline because security depend a different level, and he make sure him have him security. But Bounty Killer, the man where I go crash out now, cause of him talk. We tell Bounty say, deal with it lyrically or leave the youth alone. But Bounty Killer go run off his mouth and say, anyway, him see the youth, him have to go defend it. So the people them now are going to say, all right, now you're Alkaline, the pan the same. Sure, Bounty Killer, what you are going to do? Defend yourself. We tell you, say, love it. People cuss we, say we chat too much under the ground Godzilla and in cross, angry and miserable. And we are say, no, I want dancehall, I want Jamaica, the whole of we are black people. 10 years ago, this. Leave the youth alone. Cause me know Bounty Killer tell Sizzla about his mother. Bounty Killer tell other people about his mother. So if you respect your mother, that means you shouldn't disrespect other people. But Bounty Killer decides, say, him want get himself in a trouble. After him say unity in a dancer. So go fight. So the whole of we are watching now if we see where Bounty Killer go do. And if Bounty Killer, when me always a defend, no do nothing, no step to Alkaline, we are going to say, you chat too much, stop chat, make your money, visit your family, take care of your family, live your life, you're too old. You're 50-year-old. A whole heap of people we see Bounty Killer bully in a dance hall. Whole heap of people we see him bully. Whole heap of people we see in style. Whole heap of people we see in this. And we say yes, but no, we are big man. The whole of we are big man. We have we kids and we grandkids to live with. And we say, Bounty Killer, you have too much legacy. Leave the youth alone. My people them always tell me, say, if you don't have nothing good to say, no say nothing at all. Keep your mouth shut. Now everybody watch to see if Bounty Killer go step to the youth. Cause the interview go viral because Bounty Killer this Alkaline. Bounty Killer style Alkaline. And say anywhere buck Alkaline. Alkaline have to go defend. Bro, you go see me in New York. So rush him. See if you go get locked up. See if you go get deport. See if you go get prison. Sometime when you fi bill in a life and every time you fi talk. Cause if you did keep that to yourself, nobody would not expect this. Because the youth feel to say everything pass and gone. Yeah, him no good. You over there so, him over here so. And the next problem, Bounty Killer post the youth show. Post sons as they go support the youth, and then the next day you want to kill the youth. The next day you want to kick him down. You want to box him down. You want to thump him down. Why post the youth? Sure. That's why the youth not run into nobody in a dance hall. That's why him stay by himself. When me a say Bounty Killer big man in his 50s and he say unity, and you say unity, but at the same time you still want to hurt the youth. That a double standard, that a biasness. And me jump out TV production, I say Bounty Killer big and do crazy work in a music. Where Bounty Killer now have to talk about certain artists or mention certain artists or style certain artists. The man them asks you about Alkaline. You say a unity. You should have said the youth are doing thing and the youth out there doing work and the youth are going good. Sometimes you have to camera train and know what to say. If you don't have nothing good to say, no say nothing at all. You can say, Chuck, me no want to talk about the youth. Next, no, you say the youth dark and the youth dumb and the youth fool and the youth a idiot for use him sister as him manager. And the man's sister, him send his sister go back to school for make him sister be manager. and the man is successful. The man a do good. The man have some good song, some hit song, a great catalog. Plus the man have him own a new rule show where him a take right across the road. The man put it in the family. Him and him sister have 3 new rules at Jamaica. National Stadium, car park 2 times. National Stadium, down at Trelawney, they saw the cricket stadium. A man have new rules in Florida, new rules in New York, new rules in Canada, new rules in UK. So the youth are do good. And him and his sister are do what them supposed to do and them successful. So at the end of the day, you can't tell the youth what to do. The youth cannot trust nobody in a music. Him trust him 2 sisters. How is that your problem? If the man decides say no one post on Instagram, how is that your problem? If the man decides say no one do no interview, how is that your problem? If the man decides say now walk around and call everybody general and daddy, how is that your problem? Them are run wrong for run out pan Bounty Killer show in a Canada. Them are wrong, but them are run out and I say me general. Give me the punani rhythm and you style him. Which at the end of the day, them are run wrong. Them are wrong. You know how Bounty Killer stay. You should have never run out from Bounty Killer show. But Bounty Killer big man. Bounty Killer could have deal with it better. And you diss them Marco and you style them Marco. And yes, them Marco feel away. Yes, them Marco wrong for run out from Bounty Killer show. But we are big man and the whole of we have feelings too. And as a man where I general and the man I say, yo, general, you couldn't even call him and whisper in his ears and say, yo, take one and come off from the stage. You say, no, and you style the youth. And the youth say, you style him already. Demarco, you're wrong. Shouldn't go up on the man stage. But we are big man. We have to know how to deal with certain things. So at the end of the day, Bounty Killer style Alkaline. And this Alkaline, the wickedest way. Wanna think Alkaline fan base I go do. Cause if Vegas, Tony Mataran, Elephant Man, Kiaputan, see, Shensia, Tanta Metro, and Devante, TOK, and then Alkaline perform, and then Bounty Killer fi close the show. Majority of the people are going to walk out. And if the Vendetta fan base walk out pan Killer, how you think it are going to look? And the reason why they would have walk out pan you is because you this Alkaline, you style Alkaline, you say you want to hurt the youth, and you want to beat up the youth, kick up the youth, box up the youth have to defend him speech. And you make that the thought, you know. We know at the end of the day, say, you can't risk your visa and you cannot risk your work permit. Plus, you cannot risk getting locked up in a New York and you go shame Jamaica, embarrass Jamaica. Plus, you can't do that to CJ Milan. But you talk, you chat too much, Bounty. You shouldn't keep that to yourself. So the people them out there now are hold you accountable. So accountability now, Bounty Killer, the people them a hold you and I say that you say. Anyway you see Alkaline, you have to go defend it. And anyway after this you see him, you have to go defend it. Else the people them are going to say, a bluff, you a bluff. And you say you are going to crash out. And we are say, Killer, you're bigger than that. Love the youth. You're 50-year-old. This youth is 31, yeah, the man elder, and you wrong fi pick pan man. Cause at the end of the day, Alkaline look at strength. So if you no like what the youth say, why you never call the youth and link up with the youth and show the youth say you no have to go that way, yeah. Me I go give you a strength. Nobody no give the youth a strength. The youth, they just want people to hear him. He just want people to know say he had talented. So him pull a stunt and say when he have to say. After that, appear good music, the youth a do. Alkaline avoid everybody in a dance hall. If he must say anything to you, and musically, which it should be, music is like a sport. Music is competition. But this youth avoid everybody in a dance hall, and everybody in a dance hall every day diss him. Uno want him man fi say Gaza. Uno want him fi put him career a cartel foot. The youth want to be great. The youth want to be him owner man. So the youth are doing owner thing. He say respect everybody will come before him. But him nah say Gaza. He say Vendetta. And everybody in a dance hall pick pon the youth every day. The youth in a dance hall over 10 years now. And at one time the youth ever go live pan IG. The youth no post. Him no deal with people. Him stay by himself. The only time you see him are when you see him on stage show or you see a music video. The youth stay by himself. The youth is actually an introvert. The youth happy in him own a company. The youth stay by himself. The man say when him go do a work, him do the work, then him get the fuck up out of here. The man tell you something 10 years ago, and you tell me say for the whole 10 years, you never see him nowhere in a Jamaica, plus you and him perform and show together. And 10 years after, that disrespect they still burn you. When you tell Sizzler figure suck him mama. When you tell Sizzler say some dirty thinking Rasta figure beard and some dirty thinking Rasta figure suck them mama. So at the end idea, bro, a few mother alone important. Are you one have mother? Are you one a bad man? So you can beat up Alkaline and do Alkaline anything, but Alkaline have to go take it. Are you one have bad man friend? Are you one have bad man links? Are you one can do people things? We respect Bounty Killer. We see Bounty Killer get away with no friggery. Whole heap of people, killer style. And we just saying cross, angry, miserable. But you are 50 odd now. Full time you put on the friggery. So me never support the interview there. That disrespect the other part they never needed. See, you reach a stage now where you feel enjoy yourself, enjoy your family, make some money, set a legacy, create recording studio, recording label, create your own show, and boss your son them, leave an empire for your son them. You no need for this nobody. Everybody in a dance hall rate Bounty Killer. Nobody in a dance hall now disrespect Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer never get disrespect in a dance hall unless him disrespect somebody or him style somebody. Everybody rate him. Cartel we diss him, rate him first. Movado rate him first. Beanie rate him first. Baby Sham rate him first. Elephant Man rate him first. Everybody always rate Killer. But somehow, everybody where Killer help, them and Killer always fall out. Killer boss you, then him turn around and style you. See? Turn around and style you. Magia him, style him. With Foota Hype styling, Bounty Killer will boss you and turn around style you. Baby Sham a good boy. Bounty Killer help him, turn around style him. Nitty Kutch enough, somebody a killer fall out more while. Harry Toddler juke him na yai. Enough people. Cartel same way. So at the end of the day, it was fun. It was entertaining when we were young. We're a big man now. You need to lead by example. See? You need to lead by example. And enough of time people do something instead of telling them over the internet. You have links you can reach out to enough people. But sometimes you're too big and you have too much ego. If you don't respect the young youth them not respect you either. And sometimes the young youth them have their money and them feel rank or them have too much ego. But at the same time, who know better, do better. If you feel to say you're too big for reach out to Alkaline, Alkaline for reach out to you, leave the youth alone then. Make the youth do what I do. See? Cause enough man out there hear some gun song. Copper shot and boy you spy that enough bad gun song we hear at the NID. Still damaging to enough youth. But we understand, say, yeah, that was killer when he was younger. But we are big man now. You have to clean up your music and we understand, say, our entertainment. But we have to lead pan a level there. Cause we are big man now. If a youth are 22 and me are 50, there is no way me I go play football with them. Because for them mouth I go dirty and the way how them talk and behave and act and carry themselves is different from how me roll. So me I go make them turn over there so with feed them age group and miss the over one part. So the whole dancehall now I watch we see what Bounty Killer I go do when it come to Alkaline. Cartel have a show up on the 29th now. Nobody now talk about Cartel show now. A Bounty Killer and Alkaline mix up. And at the same time the promoter have to do what them have to do. CJ Miller knows the money have to make. And it is a creative look. Cause money have to make. But Killer set up himself. If he want to go crash out, I fee him business. If the next day the people ma laugh after him, and him cast it upon himself. If the Vendetta fan base walk out upon him, and him cast it upon himself. Because if me say Vendetta and Bounty Killer this Alkaline, there is no way me I go support, me I go turn there and listen to Bounty Killer. So if the fan base decides say them a walk out upon him, and him cast it upon himself. We glad say Bounty Killer can go England. We glad say get him American visa. We glad say him go Canada. And we are say yes, we are celebrate the general. We never wanna mix up here, bro. You're bigger than that right now. You're bigger than mix up. You're bigger than styling. You're bigger than fi clash. You already do that already. Now it's time for Bounty Killer make him money and save him money and set up him family, set up him kids them and grandkids. Bounty Killer no need for a clash and a this no Alkaline, you a big man. So we are going to watch and see what going to happen Saturday night. Some people are going to agree with me. Some people are going to disagree with me. The one them we disagree with when me I say, okay, tell Bounty Killer if you go rush the youth then. If you don't want to see the youth, if Bounty Killer go to prison, I don't want to see him get locked up because I think Alkaline supposed to be an American citizen. He's supposed to straight in America because they're over here for a long time. So picture you with a visa, go rush one American citizen in a Uncle Trump time. Or even if he's a permanent resident, you with a work permit and go rush him. A problem? So if you want to lose your visa, now you're not going to get it back. So what do you want Bounty Killer to do now? So at the end idea where they tell him should have never said that. He should have leave the youth alone. Anyway, me buck him, I have to go defend him. See, I go buck him Saturday night here. We are watch and we are look to see what going to happen. Who want agree, agree. Who want disagree, disagree. And I me tell Bounty Killer to say, when say, and him say when say, and we are hold him to it. Rush Alkaline, box him down, kick him down, thump him down, do what you have to do. But reprisal or ricochet, we are going to watch, we see what going to happen after. Cause we'll watch Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.